Margaret Kerr was going to do, she's seen it start off with her room in here, but she changed her mind at the last minute, and that's a woman's prerogative as well, Ken. And she's going to do Cuddle Doon.
Cuddle Doon. I got the words from Betty Craig, I don't know who wrote it. Cuddle Doon. The bairnies cuddle doon at night with muckle fecht and din. Oh, try and sleep, you walk rife. Rogues, your feyther's coming in. They never hear a word I say. I try to gie a froon, but I hap them up and cry. No bairnies, cuddle doon. Wee Jimmy with the curly heat, he aye sleeps next the wall. Bangs up and cries, I want a piece. The rascal steps them all. I rin and gie them pieces, drinks, to stop awa the soon. But I hap them up and cry, no bairnies, cuddle doon. But ere 5 minutes gang, wee Rab cries out beneath the glaze, Mither, mak Tam gie out at yins, he's kittling with his days. The mischief's in that Tam for tricks. They bother half the tune, but I hap them up and cry, no bairnies, cuddle doon. At length they hear their feyther's thir as he steeks the door. They turn their faces to the wall, while Tam pretends to snore. Hey, all the wind's been good, he asks as he takes off his shoes. The bairnies, John, are in their beds, and long since cuddle doon. And just afore we bed ourselves, we look at our wee lambs. Tam has his ear round wee Rab's neck, and Rab his ear round Tam's. I lift wee Jamie up the bed, and as I stroke each croon, I whisper till my head fills up. Oh, bairnies, cuddle doon.
Very nice.
The bairnies cuddle doon at night with nothing that's dear to me. But soon the big world's cark and care will quaking doon their glee. Yet, come what will to ilka yin, may he who sits abun, I whisper, though their pows be bald, all bairnies, cuddle doon.
Oh, well, I used to tell me, see they down these with Whitburn, they could tell kids stories. And I think that's a good story for Margaret, who's with Whitburn.